How to start trading stocks as a complete beginner. In the vast and often overwhelming world of stock trading, beginners frequently find themselves lost amid a sea of information. The landscape is flooded with free ebooks, paid courses, and countless online influencers, each offering their unique perspective on navigating the stock market. The challenge for newcomers is distinguishing valuable insights from misleading advice. This guide has been meticulously crafted to help beginners cut through the noise and gain a clear, structured understanding of how to start trading stocks effectively. The first step: understanding the basics. The initial step in this journey is not to dive headfirst into the market with capital at risk. Contrary to popular belief, successful trading does not begin with a large sum of money. It starts with knowledge and practice. One of the most critical mistakes that novice traders make is jumping into the market without the necessary experience, often influenced by the allure of quick profits portrayed by flashy online personalities. This approach, more often than not, leads to significant financial loss and discouragement, causing many to abandon trading altogether. To avoid this pitfall, it is essential to utilize trading simulators or paper trading platforms. These tools allow beginners to engage in trading without risking real money, providing a risk-free environment to test strategies, refine risk management techniques, and understand the emotional dynamics of trading. Paper trading is not merely a practice ground. It is a vital learning tool that simulates real market conditions, enabling traders to experiment and learn from their decisions without financial consequences. The power of paper trading. Among the various trading simulators available, Webull stands out due to its user-friendly interface and accessibility. It is recommended for beginners because it offers a seamless experience and includes additional incentives, such as free shares of stock upon signing up. Although this is not a promotion, the utility of Webull as a learning platform cannot be overstated. When engaging in paper trading, it is crucial to approach it with the seriousness of real trading. Treat the simulated funds as if they were your actual capital. This mental discipline is key to developing a successful trading mindset. Every trade, whether profitable or not, should be meticulously recorded and analyzed. For losing trades, it is important to identify what went wrong. Was there a deviation from the trading plan? Were emotions allowed to interfere with logical decision-making? Did the trade align with established risk management rules? Recording these details is not merely an exercise in reflection, but a strategic approach to accelerating the learning curve.
Hello, everyone. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Your support means the world to me. I also want to use this opportunity to encourage all of you to share this channel with as many people as possible. Why? Because sharing is caring. This channel is dedicated to helping people improve their happiness and well-being, and we all know the power of communication. So by sharing this channel, you are not only helping your friends, family, and colleagues, but you're also helping us to grow and reach more people. Together, we can create a community of happy, resilient, and highly productive people, and that's a win-win situation for everyone. So let's spread the word and make a positive impact. Thank you again for watching, and please do not forget to hit the share button and have a great day. Now, let's go back to this important video.
Equally important is the documentation of successful trades. Understanding what strategies worked and why they worked provides a blueprint for future success. By consistently reviewing both winning and losing trades, traders can refine their strategies and build confidence in their decision-making processes. Focusing on strategy over profits. In the early stages of trading, the focus should be entirely on learning and developing a robust trading strategy. The monetary gains will follow as a natural consequence of a well-honed approach. This methodical process places beginners far ahead of their peers who may be solely focused on profits without a strong foundation. This guide serves as the first step in a comprehensive educational journey designed to equip beginners with everything they need to know to become successful traders. Future installments will cover a wide range of essential topics, including risk management, trading psychology, chart analysis, market structure, candlestick patterns, and various trading strategies. Each topic will be explored in depth, providing a complete A to Z blueprint for those serious about mastering the art of stock trading. This guide has laid the foundation for your journey into stock trading, emphasizing the importance of practice, discipline, and a structured approach. As you continue to develop your skills, remember that successful trading is not about quick gains, but about building a solid, long-term strategy. Stay committed to learning, refining your strategies, and maintaining a disciplined approach to the markets. With each step, you will move closer to becoming a proficient trader, well-equipped to navigate the complexities of the stock market. For those who are serious about taking their trading to the next level, continue to seek out quality information and stay updated on the latest strategies and insights. Share and follow this channel for more updates, tips, and educational content that you can put into practice immediately. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and keep growing. Remember, financial management and income creation is an important part of well-being. Embrace learning and growing. See you next time.